Thanks all for coming.
It's a long way down from Edinburgh to Ox, Portsmouth town. It's a long way down from Edinburgh to where I'm bound. He put a bright ring on my finger so thin, and he gave me a solemn vow. He said that he would be waiting for me in the beautiful Port of Bilbao. Well, there's plenty mighty fine ships to be found in the depth of the Biscay Bay. Cannons and sailors that roared so loud as they sank dear watery way. Still I'll pray to the Lord, and I'll clamber aboard the first boat right awake to its bow. He said that he would be waiting for me in the beautiful Port of Bilbao. Well, he's pretty, oh yes, he be pretty for sure. He's the bonniest boy that I seen. I know how he danced me round and around in his jacket of jaunty green. Oh, but there's still no sign of his coat, so fine as I stand on the deck looking out. And he said that he would be waiting for me in the beautiful Port of Bilbao. Far beyond the sea's dark foam, take heed of them handsome young men and their money to charm you from your home. For if I'd not a curse on a gentleman's purse, I sure do now. Every night after 10 I'll be waiting for them in the beautiful